Good morning everyone, how you doing? It's Paul here. Now I am in, I think it's private grounds, but you're allowed to come in and have a look at the church by all accounts. It says public footpath along the middle there. Now I've parked there, I'm not sure where I can park, but I've left a note in my car saying that I'm in the church. Hopefully the church is open. Anyway, good morning, welcome to Unusual Things. I've got to watch out because there is sheep crap everywhere. But there's lots of lambs and sheep, so again, I don't know. Mum lamb's very protective. I've got to be careful where I walk. I don't want to be chased by a bunch of sheep. Anyway, yeah, we're going to go and have a look at this church, see if we can get in. I was contacted by one of my viewers, and I apologise to the viewer because I've completely forgotten your name. But you did say that at St Peter's or St Paul's, I can't remember which one it was, whether it's this one or the other one, that you said it's a really good church to go in and have a look at Albury. I think you said it was more the modern up-to-date one. I think this is the old one. Anyway, we are here now. Look at what's greeting me. Hello. Look how gorgeous they are. Look at this one. Again, I don't know the score here. I don't know whether to approach it in case the mum's going to come over and start chasing me and getting annoyed. Hello. So yeah, but here we are. We're at St Peter and St Paul, Albury. And it looks like a very, so you've got to be careful, dude. I don't know what I'm saying, dude, to myself. Yes, I know. Oh, look. Is that a warning sign? Am I not supposed to come in here? Oh, they're everywhere. Okay, so I thought we would just come and have a look. Here we go. To encourage wildflowers, this churchyard is mown only occasionally. Church, it says church open, so I'm assuming we can go in. Let's have a look, shall we? We'll have a look around the grounds afterwards. Let's get the business end done first, shall we? Let's have a little look. Now, he's following me. Hello, I've got nothing for you. Unless he's wondering where his mum is. Now, I've got to go back to the car because I've left my phone in there, and it's one of them, isn't it? If you have an emergency or if you need someone for any reason, it's always worth having your phone on you. Right, so let's pop back to the car. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I think we got to here, didn't we? Right, let's go and have a look, shall we? It says it's open. Ooh, I thought that was locked then. Albury Old Saxon Church. Here we are. Here's another one that a couple of weeks ago was the first time I saw one without any stained glass window. And I did have a few people, it's very cold in here, I did have a few people explain to me why, and it was in the comment section. You can hear the sheep outside. Oh my days, it's beautiful. It really is. Friends of Albury Old Saxon Church, okay. Conservation and restoration of the Drummond Chapel. So again, everyone, I'm not going to read it all out, but if you're interested in that sort of thing, you can pause it, of course, and have a look. Conservation in action, sorry. Your Saxon church needs you. Let's go along here. Wow, it's beautiful. It really is. Quiet contemplation area. And then there's some writing on that window. It says, this That says, I thought it would say chapel, but it says this chancel, Chancel, was restored by the Redundant Churches Fund in 1988. Okay. Still got a spider's web on my hair. Let's have a look here. Hang on, I'm just checking to see if I've got a spider on my face, because it feels like it's running all over me. Right. Here lieth interred body Henry Wicks, Esquire. A man. It's very difficult to read again from up here. Rios is that? Eve, wise and very charitable, a true and real Christian whose lifetime served the princes of this land, Irvine, Elizabeth, Queen, King James and King Charles in my worship. Wow. So that's going to be quite old. And then we have a look here. I think I've got my torch with me. Might help us a little bit, I don't know. No, that's not going to help that much, is it? I don't know if you can work that out at home. It's always easier. People say to me, why do you say that? I say, because sometimes when I'm here, and obviously I've got the light reflecting on it, when you're home and you're sat in a darkened room, or if you go into a darkened area, then it's a bit easier to read it. Okay, so look. Church of S.S. Peter and Paul, Albury, restoration of chapel before. Wow, so they've done a lot to it then. During and after. And again, some of the work that they've had done there. Oh wow, look at that. How cool would that be to go up there? Oh, wish that ladder was lower. And there's the bell. Ooh. I always. No, it's on a private estate, Paul. Don't do that. Now I wondered if, can we get into this part? Let's have a look. No, I think it's locked. Which says to me, there's obviously some either very important people down there, or it's a really important part that they want to keep a look at it. It's beautiful, look. Wow. Look at that ceiling. And the stained glass. It's just next level, look. I wonder if this is like part of the actual original and it's just been so well preserved. I don't know. I can't see any information about this part. Oh, here we go. This is the bit I said about earlier on, but I haven't got my glasses on, sorry everyone. Okay, so have a look about that. That's the information there. I'm really squinting now, I haven't got my glasses on. Plus I'm not going to stand here and read all that out to you. You can have a look. Okay, tap to donate. Select amount, tap your card, gift aid. What's your donation for? General maintenance project. General maintenance. We'll put a fire in. Okay, let's just get my DB. What's it up? Dish. What does that mean? Sum up. Payment £5. So there we go. There's that. Bing. Payment approved. Yes. First name. There we go. So we've give a donation and we've put it on the gift aid thingy. Right, and there's a book over here, which I suppose we had better sign, hadn't we? Okay, so we have got, what's the date today? It's the 8th of May. The 8th of May, 26. Port Allen, town, county. We'll just write Portsmouth. Numbering party, 1 comment, beautiful. Keep up the great work. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write unusual things here. So if any of you guys ever go to any places that I go to, you'll see that I've written unusual things. Okay, so you can always send a photo, take a photo and send it to me, just for giggles. Right, let's go outside, shall we? Okay, let's go outside and have a look into the churchyard. Oh, they're all outside. I don't have to run up, try and be quiet. I wonder if they thought it's the, maybe the owner or something feeding them, I don't know. We'll be gentle. Hello. 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 Again, because they've got young lambs with them, I don't know sheep etiquette. Are they gonna start chasing me if I put my hand out? Look at that beautiful little river down there. Let's go and have a little look around here. It's a beautiful place though, look. Again, really old. I love places like this, they're so cool. Ooh. Here we are. So that's all private there, private. Imagine having private land where you've got that there. Beautiful. Must be worth a few bob to have that. Oh, look at that little bench down there. I'm so jealous right now. Do you know what? I've never been a materialistic person or a person that wants materialistic things. But if I had a choice of living near a church with a beautiful little river running by it, oh yeah. Now it looks like there's someone over there walking near my car now. And I have left a note in there to say that I'm in the church. So I'm hoping I don't get any earache. Hey, a sheep. Right. I mean, these headstones are very, very old. And there's no markings on them at all, you know. Feels like it's going to start to rain as well. I wonder who these ones here, again, they've got no markings on them. Hello. Yeah. So I don't really know. No, you can't see anything on them at all. They're so cute. So, there we have it, St Peter and St Paul's Church in Albury, which is not too far from Guildford, to be honest. Beautiful place. Definitely get yourself down here. Such an amazing place, and they've done a lot of work on it, obviously, and it looks like they're continuing to do some more. So, hello. I'm really glad that we came to this one today. I believe there is another church in Albury, which I think is the more modern one, which I think is what the viewer told me about. So if we can, we're going to have a little look at that as well. Anyway, guys, thank you as always for watching. Don't forget, leave your comments down below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free, does not cost you a single penny. And hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when more videos come out. I'll be bringing you a few more like this throughout the journeys. You know, we've been going 4 years now on Unusual Things, and I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's watched my videos, everyone that's left nice comments, everyone that's subscribed. Like I say, subscription is free. Everyone that's left a donation, that's really helped, and I really appreciate that. Even just the coffee, guys, you wouldn't believe it, because when people leave me money for coffee, it means I can put my money then into fuel, blah blah blah, little circle, right? So it's great. Members, thank you moderators. Yeah, anyone and everyone. 4 years on, man, and it's been hard work, but it's been worth it. I've seen some great sights, I've been to some amazing places, and I've got to bring you guys with me to have a look as well, which is brilliant. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take it easy.